All the gossip and leaks have one thing in common: the iPhone 12 will drop the existing design for an all-new look, as well as add 5G connectivity and many more specs. Coming up. Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about what we know so far about the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. The iPhone 12 is expected to come in 4 models: the 5.4-inch iPhone 12, 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Max, 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro and 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. All 4 are expected to offer a design that will be close to the look of the iPhone 5's flat machine edges, along with a possibly slimmer notch. If we don't know each other yet, bienvenue. My name is Celine, I'm a TV journalist and my YouTube channel is all about high-tech. Now that we know each other, let's get going! Everyone is expecting that Apple's highly anticipated A14 Bionic processor will be included in the iPhone 12, and for the Pro set specifically, a LiDAR sensor. The 120Hz screen display for the Pro models are still a dream for everyone. A new iPhone 12 leak has revealed the possible names for all 4 models, and the smallest 5.4-inch device is said to be called the iPhone 12 mini. And 3 days ago on YouTube, we could see a stunning concept video for the iPhone 12 based on the rumors. Now it's your turn to talk, and I'm sure some of you have the answer to my question: when will the iPhone 12 will be released? Some are saying that the pre-orders will happen end of October the 20th, but that is a Tuesday. It's more likely that pre-orders would start on a Thursday and the phone would go on sale Friday. So for now, many Apple fans anticipate that the iPhone 12 release date will be October 23. Let's place the bets in the comment section down en dessous. If you haven't done it yet, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can meet again soon. Take care. Salut!